thinking hard about it.
Level of my music career, but just everyday person, kind of a dream. I would love to eventually get to Africa, do an African safari. I always wanted to do one of those. We had actually the opportunity to go to Africa a little over 4 years ago, but unfortunately at the time my dad had cancer, so I had to come to the guys. Even though my dad wanted me to go to the guys, I had to fight my heart to go and spend my time with him. And the guys were, I gave him my blessing to go ahead and do the show without me, even though I really wanted to go so badly. So we had an African safari, we had a chance to meet Nelson Mandela. It was a really unbelievable trip that hopefully one day we can do again. But the guys were, believe it or not, felt compassionate enough to not want to do the show without me.
He said believe it or not, the perfect is believe it.
No, but they, but hopefully one day, like I said, we'll all get a chance to get back there. It'll be even more rewarding next time.